The hottest tech out there.
Introducing MagEasy Hybrid Workstation, an everyday carry and organizing system consisting of a badge holder and a desktop organizer, which is magnetic, modular, and customizable. The holder has strong magnets firmly hold EDCs together in a slim stack. Its wallet design opens flat, revealing 3 dedicated slots for cards and other small essentials. Customize your carry to fit your needs and meet your standards. Wear it around your neck or slip it into your pocket or bag when you're on the move. It also features a variety of accessories that will come in handy, like the extra slim card holder, the foldable phone stand, the portable mirror, the mini notepad clipboard, and so much more. The magnetic design allows you to snap those accessories on the exterior of the badge holder and retrieve them without a hitch to tackle any situation with that peace of mind. MagEasy Badge Holder enables you to effortlessly go through anywhere without digging into your pocket. Thanks to its fold-out design, your privacy is secured with a simple flip. The MagEasy Hybrid Workstation helps you transition to your workplace without missing a beat. The self-standing board that holds and organizes all your office essentials also transforms into a mousepad or a clipboard. From exchanging name cards to jotting down meeting minutes, MagEasy got them covered. MagEasy Hybrid Workstation works seamlessly for your peak performance and productivity at work. More innovation combinations of MagEasy Hybrid Workstation await your exploration. Lids. Lead a modern lifestyle. Your keys fumbling and jabbing days are over. Introducing PUNCUBE, a modular magnetic EDC organizing system. The ultimate key holder that holds your essentials on the go. Thanks to the magnetic snap-on design, it's never been easier to access the right key without jingling. PUNCUBE also evolves from a tiny key holder into a smart magnetic system, including a card holder, an ID card holder, and a wallet to further declutter your pocket and streamline your work and life. A removable, replaceable silicone band keeps cards safe and ready at hand. The PUNCUBE key holder also transforms into a phone kickstand in both landscape and portrait mode. Different combinations of the PUNCUBE family offer additional storage for your everyday carry items and fit all scenarios. The slim yet tough key holder firmly holds your keys in place and eliminates any chance of losing or scratches on your phone screen. Made from premium PC material and PU leather, the PUNCUBE family is definitely eco-friendly, scratch-resistant, waterproof, and durable. With the ultra-slim design, it smoothly slips into your snuggest pocket. PUNCUBE, make your work more efficient and your life more enjoyable.
All right, toiletry bags. It's not something you think about all the time, but it's something that you need every time you travel.
We noticed toiletry bags on the market were like this one, a black hole, making it hard to find stuff, unsanitary, and a shampoo explosion ticking time bomb.
Or you could just travel with a Ziploc bag.
I mean, you can use whatever you've been using forever and it'll get you from A to B. My uncle used to use grocery bags instead of a suitcase. And I mean, it got the job done, I guess.
Toiletry bags are not new to us. We've literally sold tens of thousands of them, multiple Kickstarter projects, sold them all around the world. We've spent countless hours designing, researching, and testing the best way to travel with toiletries.
And we thought there had to be a better way to pack a ton of stuff while staying sanitary, organized, and compact.
Introducing the Explorer Max, a super versatile bag that packs it all while taking up a small footprint in your travel bag. Let's do a quick run through. What does it pack? It has 5 adaptable pockets to virtually pack any toiletry item. There's a dedicated toothbrush pocket to keep your toothbrush sanitary and separate from everything else. Electric toothbrushes fit great. 3 zippered pockets to organize your stuff like razors, deodorant, floss, makeup brushes, chapsticks, Q-tips, all that kind of stuff. It can be frustrating to have to buy travel size everything. It's nice to have a big pocket just to throw in bigger items like a hairbrush, contact solution, a larger electric shaver, or even a curling iron. So we did just that. We added a deeper, wider pocket. As much as we love being organized, Sometimes it's nice just to have the option to have a big catch-all and keep stuff right at your fingertips. The Explorer Max comes with our new updated TSA compliant bag, so you can pack stuff like liquids and makeup for fast TSA scans and protect against shampoo and makeup explosions. Its new construction makes it more durable and water resistant, and the updated silicone hang strap allows you to easily hang it up anywhere in the bathroom. And if you want a little more organization, you can buy a second TSA bag, or even a third, because the TSA bags fit side by side in this big catch-all pocket, making it easy to set up everything when you arrive to your destination. No two trips are the same, and maybe you want to pack a little bit lighter. The Explorer Toiletry Bag comes in 3 sizes, the Max, the Plus, and the Slim, and we've updated all 3 of them. The Plus has 7 pockets to pack it all while staying compact. On the side of a Plus is a deep, smaller pocket that also comes with our new TSA bag. The Explorer Slim is perfect for traveling light and minimally. Tons of pockets for organization and a leak-proof pocket to fit stuff like our travel bottles. Keep all of your stuff organized and separate. We're using our tried and true Corey Poly material, which was developed for our travel backpack system. So it's super durable, water resistant, and lightweight. And the touch and feel is just something so different and great. You'll love it the moment that you have your hands on this bag. Premium materials that are travel tested, and we offer a lifetime warranty that we stand behind. No matter what stuff you bring, it'll have a proper place and you can go anywhere fuss-free.
Hey friends, thanks for making it to the end of the video. This is actually our 6th Kickstarter campaign. We've fulfilled all of them on time, leaving tens of thousands of happy backers all around the world.
We have a golden sample and our manufacturer is standing by.
All right, all we need is for you to back this campaign to bring this project to life. We think the world of you guys as community has been incredible.
We put together some pledges below. Pick one that fits you best.
So, new feature alert, there's actually an add-on menu within Kickstarter now, which is great because then you can add an extra TSA bag, an extra toiletry bag, a bunch of different options down there for you.
We'd be so pumped if you back our campaign. We hope to send you a package soon.
Killed it!
All right, cool.
This is Valley, a functional everyday backpack made to improve your digital life. At Barner, we have a clear mission to empower the digital generation with creative, functional, and beautifully designed products. Now, after successfully launching 2 Kickstarter campaigns, providing more than 100,000 satisfied users worldwide with blue light protection, and becoming a B Corp, we are proud to be back on Kickstarter with our latest innovation, which we've been passionately developing for the past 2 years. As heavy tech users ourselves, we've realized that it's not easy to keep your daily essentials readily accessible and organized in one unique bag. This is why we've created Valley, a durable, adaptable, and totally versatile backpack built to meet the unique needs of the digital generation. Valley is made for everyday use. It allows you to perfectly organize and carry all of your digital essentials. Plus, you'll have extra space and functional compartments to store, a change of clothes for your morning workout, business trips, or weekend getaways, your photo gear so you're sure to not miss the perfect shot, food to enjoy on the go or at the office, and beverages that you can keep cool to enjoy when you just want to chill. Valley has more than 20 pockets and compartments to give you endless possibilities to smartly store anything you want in the easiest and most comfortable way. The backpack is divided into 3 main parts, which are used to store many different items. The back panel, with its accessible clamshell opening, has 2 main pockets that are used to store notebooks and your tablets. And it also includes an elasticized mesh pocket for your keyboard and a zippable pocket for your mouse or computer charger. The bottom mesh allows you to fasten an extractable computer case into your bag while securing plenty of different on-the-go essentials thanks to its elastic bands. On the front, the backpack has a waterproof, odor-free zippered pocket that gives you the versatility to store one of our 3 add-ons, depending on your daily needs. If you won't be using an add-on, the backpack's front space can be used as is and is easily accessed from the top opening. But that's not all. You also have 2 zippered pockets, multiple mesh pockets, a neoprene case for your glasses, and elastic bands so you can comfortably store anything and everything you might need. As if all this wasn't enough, Valley also includes a hidden pocket on the outside of the bag so you can protect your most important items, a retractable key holder in the side pocket, and last but not least, a magnetic mesh pocket for your water bottle, because we all know how important it is to stay hydrated. The breathable ergonomic back panel and the front adjustable strap will keep you consistently comfortable when you're on the move. For those days of heavy loads, we have created extra comfortable shoulder straps. Plus, these straps are uniquely designed so that you can wear Valley as a classic backpack or hold it like a suitcase by tucking away the straps in the back panel and carrying from the side handle. Valley's high-quality textile materials are water-resistant. That way you can face the elements with confidence, knowing that your gear will remain dry and protected. At Barner, we care about the environment, and in addition to making Valley using 100% recycled polyester as the main external material, the backpack is also Blue Sign certified. Valley has the versatility to adapt to any situation thanks to its 3 different add-ons. Let's say you start your day doing some yoga. When you're done, simply store your workout clothes in the backpack's separate odor-free waterproof compartment. Once you get to the office, you can easily unpack your work essentials in time for your next meeting thanks to thoughtfully compartmentalized storage areas. Finally, the foodie add-on will keep your lunch sealed and well preserved until you're ready to dig in. Like to hang out with friends and a few drinks after work? The insulated foodie cube can also keep your beverages of choice nice and cold so that you can chill and have a good time wherever you go. For the adventurers, Valley's handy camera cube can keep your photography gear safe and organized so that you're always ready to capture the moment. If you're a frequent traveler, be it for work or pleasure, Valley will be your perfect travel companion. The backpack's TSA-friendly design takes the hassle out of going through airport security, and the adaptable trolley sleeve allows you to slide the bag over your carry-on handle. Once you've arrived at your destination, you're ready to go with everything you need thanks to Valley's 2-day packing capacity. Take the next step in improving your daily digital lifestyle with a Valley Everyday Backpack and keep on living the good life with Barner.